Happy Tuesday, Mellow Gang, and welcome to episode 23 of Cooking with Marshmello. We've got a wonderful international dish for you all today, Indonesian Sate. Let's get cooking. For our satay, we'll require sambal olek, coriander, cumin, lemongrass, red wine, an onion chopped, a clove of garlic minced, sirloin steak cubed, and some water wet. For starters, place the onion, garlic, coriander, cumin, sambal olek, water and red wine into a food processor. Blend it all into a smooth marinade. Place the marinade in a large bowl and stir in the lemongrass. Add in the beef and mix it until the pieces are evenly coated. Now cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 2 hours.
Hey, you've reached Anne-Marie. Leave a message after the beep. Unless it's you again, Marshmello.
Once fully marinated, use wooden skewers to thread together 4 cubes of steak, creating an assembled kebab. Finally, using an outdoor grill, grill the skewers until the beef reaches its desired level of cook. And ka-ching! One order of Indonesian satay coming right up. Thank you all again for watching. Stay tuned to see what we'll be whipping up next.